Hi, I want to make you aware of a new initiative that we've launched this week called Skills Connect. This is a programme which will allow people who have been severely impacted by the COVID-19 crisis in their employment, either by losing their job or having reduced hours, to reskill in their existing sector or to upskill and move to a new sector to gain different employment. So through Skillnetireland and through their network, over 300 companies will provide training opportunities, mentoring opportunities or work placement opportunities. Now these 2,000 training places will be funded fully through the July stimulus package. So what I'm saying to people is access Skillnetireland.ie to find out if you can avail of one of these 2,000 training opportunities. The opportunities are there, you should look into it. You could look at areas like warehousing, logistics, retrofitting, the digital economy, even the agri-food sector. So there's a wide range of areas where courses and training and mentorship will be made available. So check it out on Skillnetireland.ie.